Aloha, we are Team 359, the Hawaiian kids from Waialua High and Intermediate School. Our team strives to transform the culture of our diverse and historically rural community by preparing students to compete and succeed in higher education. We participate in FIRST Robotics, in which our project has students apply their skills in STEM to create an award-winning robot. Team 359 aims to spread the message of FIRST with global vision, impacting as many people, teams, and programs as possible. Our goal is to build a dedicated STEM Innovation Learning Center to expand our program's offerings beyond robotics and to our entire community.
We have built a program with many experienced mentors and students who are driven to succeed in our program. Team 359 is comprised of many different sub-teams: robotics, construction, outreach, documentation, construction support, and administration. In these sub-teams, students not only learn by working with their mentors, but also peer-to-peer mentoring where they are able to gain knowledge from experienced students. This creates a learning environment where new students don't feel intimidated and older students learn to explain their field, demonstrating their knowledge on their subject.
Through the COVID-19 pandemic, our program has permanently lost several major sponsors. Although these have been tough times, our team continues to meet weekly while following the safety guidelines. We will use the funds provided from this grant to purchase resources for our program. Nevertheless, we'll continue to work with our remaining sponsors to create projects that give back to our community.
This project will benefit our students by teaching them the skills to succeed in STEM education opportunities, as well as engaging them in various STEM and non-STEM related programs in our school, community, and state. These skills will hopefully give our students the potential to become the leaders of tomorrow.
Our long-term sustainability plan not only focuses on ensuring our team will have the funding to finance all aspects of our participation in the FIRST Robotics competition, but also concentrates on funding various programs in our school, feeder schools, community, and state. Since our program began, our team works towards sustainability, long-term growth plans, and a designated Waialua Robotics business account to sustain FIRST expenses, infrastructure costs, travel costs, and scholarships for students. The funds received from this grant will be able to finance all of these costs and allow our team to grow, spreading the mission of FIRST even further.
The 6-week build season is a period in which we brainstorm, test, prototype, design, and manufacture different components of the robot. Once the robot is all assembled, we operate and analyze the different components to see what we can improve on. Once the robot is finalized, we then ship it off to different parts of the world where we compete. During the build season, I design different components of the robot and I also manufacture various parts. During the competition season, I am one of 2 drivers who operates the robot.
During build season, documentation is responsible for capturing our team's progress through various medias such as team binders, photos, and videos that go onto our YouTube account and website at waialuarobotics.com. We are also responsible for all awards, submissions, and presentations.
In control systems, we add electronics and program the robot. We are currently working on the swerve drive and the camera for the robot. Another task of control systems is to make the autonomous program. This runs in the first 30 seconds of the match, when the robot has to perform by itself.
Here's a compilation of a few of our past build seasons.
And she spoke words that would melt in your hands. And she spoke words of wisdom to the basement people, to the basement. Many surprises await you in the basement, people, in the basement. You heard that last time, you know we're gonna find you sick in the car seat, 'cause you're not up to going out on the main streets, completing your mission. You heard that last time, you know we're gonna find you sick in the car seat, 'cause you're not up to going out on the main streets, completing your mission. And she spoke words that would melt in your hands. And she spoke words of wisdom to the basement people, to the basement. Many surprises await you in the basement, people, in the basement. You heard that last time, you know we're gonna find you sick in the car seat, 'cause you're not up to going out on the main.
Imu o Waialua.